Hi, welcome back. Let's move to the next question. If France is coded as 654321 and Germany is coded as 9158437, and then how is Yemen coded? So they have given four options as usual. Here every time we don't need to find the relationship between the numbers or relationship between the alphabets. Sometimes we have to think beyond that, like. It's logically not connected, and uh, like it's tricky questions. So let's write the question here. France. So 6 5, A is coded as 4, N is coded as 3, 2, so 1, and Germany, Germany is coded as, this is 9, E is coded as 1, R is coded as 5, M is coded as 8, 4, 3, 7, and they have asked what is Yemen. Okay. Now we have to check. So here there is no relationship between the alphabets and the numbers, or there is no relationship between the alphabets or between the numbers. Okay, so let's think like this. So Germany, y coded as 7. So here also let's take y as 7. Okay, France, E as 1 here, and E as coded as 1 here as well. Okay, so 1. So M, Germany, M is coded as 8 here. Okay, 8. E again it's coded as 1. Okay, N is coded as 3 here, and here as well N is coded as 3. So 3, 7 1 8 1 3, 7 1 8 1 3. D is the answer. So we need to check like this. What Y has coded here, what E has coded here, and what M has coded here. So here there is no relationship between the alphabets or something like that. We have to check every time. We don't need to check the relationship. Sometimes it will be tricky like this. So D is the answer. I hope you understood the problem. Let's move to the next question. Let's meet you in the next question. If you have any doubts or clarification, you can comment down in the comment section. Thank you.